data. In computer science, data is anything that is meaningful to your computer. JavaScript provides 8 different data types which are undefined, null, boolean, string, symbol, begin, number, and object. For example, computer distinguish between numbers such as number 12, strings such as 12 in quotation mark, dog, just in quotation mark, and 1, 2, 3 cats, which are all collection of characters. So strings is just basically a collection of characters. Computers can perform mathematical operation on numbers, but not on string. Variables. Variable allows computer to store and manipulate data in a dynamic fashion. They do so by using a label to point to the data rather than using data itself. Any of the 8 data types may be stored in a variable. Variables are similar to X and Y variables that you use in mathematics, which means they are simple name to represent data we want to refer to. Computer variables differ from mathematical variables in that they can store different value at same time. We tell JavaScript to create or declare a variable by putting the keyword var in front of it, like so. This var, our name, and this semicolon creates a variable called our name. In JavaScript, we end the statement with semicolons. Variable names can be made up of numbers, letters, dollars, or underscore, but may not contain spaces or start with a number. Try it now on Gitpod. So we will just create a var.js, and here we will say var hello full.log, which just prints the message we have just declared. I will just pass this variable name to it, which is hello in this case, and I will just, let's see what the output shows. Maybe the playground has been configured in such a way that if you try to run the code directly, it will not run. But if you select the entire code and then try to run it, it will run it. That is good thing. Now let's focus on next part.